Cut 10 update and during shooting ng Hello Love Again dyan sa Canada. Ayun pa nga sila Alden at Catherine dyan sa airport. Bago yan, may pabati mo ng Catherine kasama si Joro.
Hello, Ate Lyra! Kamusta ka?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Lyra.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Halloween! God bless you!
Lahat na lang
Hello,
ng
Ate
holiday binanggit
Lyra!
eh.
Kamusta ka?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Lyra.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Halloween! God bless you!
Kulit eh. Ito pa, sa YYC, ang airport dyan sa Calgary, Canada. Kasama ang captain. And busy-busy sila sa kanilang shooting with Direct Cathy. Kasama mga staff and crew. And excited na lahat sa movie ng captain. Nila Alden at Cathy. And November 30 na yan in cinemas nationwide. And pati worldwide na rin, siyempre. At then nagpunta ang captain sa Canmore. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para may update pa on your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.